Hello.
Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to our kitchen, and thank you for coming in again. We're here to do another video, and we thank you for watching and checking us out. Chef Silver Fox is going to be cooking something today and preparing something today, but before I get there, I wanted to just say Kuk Nalim to all of my our Naga supporters back in Nagaland, India, and thank you all for your love and support. We really appreciate all the comments and the love we see in the video comment area. So thank you again. And to my Sümi family, this is your Makishiu and Eloshe, which means hallelujah or praise the Lord, I believe is what I learned there. But I've been to Nagaland and been to Akaluto, where most of the Sümi tribe is, and all of my family in-laws are there. And thank you all again for all the support and love towards me, your Makishiu. And I thank you again. And the Naga people, and we're all very accommodating and very loving towards me, and I very much appreciate all the love still get from halfway around the world. So thank you so much for all of that. So today in Chef Silver Fox's kitchen, I'll be doing making traditional kimchi.
Okay.
So we have done a video about this before where it was just all cooking. Today we're going to do a little bit of instructional of Korean kimchi and traditional. There are many different ways we learn from making kimchi and watching different videos and seeing different recipes, but we're going to stick to the simple ingredients as much as possible because this is not my recipe. My recipes I know by heart, and I know what to do and when to do it, and so we'll be learning together this. And the last time we made kimchi was we did the video. You can check it out. Last time we made kimchi, I wasn't so sure about it, and I wasn't so sure if it was going to be any good because just the way we were doing it and just didn't seem right. But at first the flavor wasn't so good, and the color wasn't so good. It wasn't dark like I'm used to, and but then we waited about a month, and kimchi is supposed to ferment in its container. And after about a month, we tried it again, and it was so good. And it was so good, in about a couple weeks, we ate it all. And so now we need some more. So we're going to ask you to join us in the kitchen to make some more kimchi. Not my wife's food, not Naga food, but one of our videos coming up, I'll try to cook. I know a lot of people are asking me to cook some Naga food, so I'll give that a try, and you guys can all laugh along with us and how I struggle. And I've been told that ohonye and aoshi, which is very a traditional Naga food that I've been told about, and my wife makes a lot, so I'll try to make that next time. But today we'll make kimchi.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I'll be the videographer again.
My videographer. The first thing we'll do is the main ingredient for kimchi is this cabbage. So the first thing we have to do is prepare our cabbage because it takes the longest to prepare. Cabbage. Here, I'll give this to my wife because she doesn't throw anything away. Neither do I. I keep everything.
We'll need this to
we're crazy.
Keep our money, see?
Yeah. And it'll be like that for a long time. Okay. So first thing we have to do is split this one way. So here's one. And a lot of times, so you have to check to make sure that it's clean, and it looks like it's fine. And we'll split here at the bottom.
If you need my help for cutting, let me know, okay, baby?
Okay. And then you're supposed to gently split. Okay.
Your assistant will hand you.
Okay. Okay, so we'll put this here, and so then we split one more time here. This one. dunk it a few times. Get all the inside of this wet for the next step.
Your assistant is here again?
Let's see here. Oh, looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Dunk, baptize a little bit. Okay, so everything's wet between everything.
Salt is there, baby.
Kosher salt is here. This is my wife's kitchen. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. Wait.
I think I see it, but there's...
It will be hard for you to reach.
Yeah, it's down below. Very small.
There you go.
Take one of these nice decorative bowls. Pour some salt there. If I need more, I'll come back to that. So we'll take the kosher salt, sprinkle in between the layers.
Be generous, baby.
Generous.
Generously.
Don't be stingy.
Okay, let it soak.
Yeah.
Okay, one down.
See? Oh, there's one that wants to get away. It's all gonna get rinsed off, right?
Yeah.
For now, it'll give some flavor.
So how long you are going to keep it?
So this has to soak for 2 hours,
Okay.
but every 30 minutes we have to turn it. So we have to turn it over in the bowl and let all the salt run into the right spots and spread evenly. Just using the rest of what's out.
Looks good now.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. We'll gather this up and put it here. Okay. So we'll let those.
You want me to hand you the lid to cover it?
Yes.
Okay, wait, your assistant is coming.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then we'll put this
Give me.
here. Our tiny kitchen.
You want me to help you make porridge?
Yes.
Okay. I thought that I won't be here in the video.
This is my wife.
I'll help you.
Okay, thank you. We'll need a small pot. It's down there somewhere.
For this reason, I didn't give away this pot.
For making this.
Yeah. I got my new cotton pins, so I gave away all my old ones. I'm searching for tablespoons, baby. For porridge, we're going to use sticky rice powder from Nagaland.
Special.
Special.
So we're gonna make the porridge.
1 cup of water.
Cup of water. 2 tablespoons of
rice flour.
rice flour, Naga rice flour.
2.
And it starts to thicken up.
You just stir it continuously like this.
Yeah, otherwise what? It'll start splattering, it'll stick.
Lumps will be there and it won't be a smooth paste porridge.
So we need a paste.
Yeah.
Because we're going to paste in between all the leaves. It's got to be good and can't be runny.
See,
Watery.
it's turning good, right?
Yeah.
Now you're my assistant, so can you please pass me the sugar?
Thicker paste.
I'll need some little bit. Okay, Jenny. I need sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. We can use turbinado sugar or brown sugar. We have, but I have to take out everything to take with sugar.
So we use regular sugar.
Yeah.
Okay. Porridge is finished.
Yeah. It's thick and good, see?
So now we have to let that cool, right?
Yeah, let it cool down completely.
Yeah. Now I'll start the vegetables for the porridge. And so this is what's called a Korean radish. Very big. You know, in America, we're used to the little red ones. But these Korean radishes have much more flavor. So the first time we did the video, I think we used the red
radish.
and we cut those into matchsticks. So this one we got one at the Asian store, and so yeah, I'm excited. I like these much better. There's much more flavor to these. Too big, we're not going to use all. We need to use 2 cups.
Okay.
So we're going to cut them into matchsticks. You have a husband that just said, "Hey, let's do anything. No problem." I think that's enough. Okay, so we'll cut these into matchsticks. Oh yeah.
Cut fast before I jump there and start cutting.
Let me cut my finger.
Oh.
1 cup.
2.
2.
Be generous. And 3.
And why not 3? 1 cup. 1 cup of carrots. Matchsticks.
You don't need to do matchstick here.
Don't need to cut. We got them pre-cut. I cheated. So 1 cup. 1 cup. Half cup. Okay. So put this here. Trying to cut every single one like I was about to. I'll do this. I'm gonna drive my wife crazy.
I'm gonna jump over this one and start cutting it.
Jump over.
Like a boss.
Okay.
You can cut the whole thing together. Yeah.
Okay.
Much better.
Okay. It's like cutting grass. Top. Okay. There as well, so they'll go into the porridge when we're ready. So now it's time for the spices and seasonings that go into the porridge and that goes with the kimchi. So we have onion, we have garlic, and we have ginger. Those are all fresh. And then we have fish sauce that will go in to there. We have fermented fish and also red chili flakes. and that'll make it give it that spicy and good red color.
Okay, so
So
today you are going to use that instead of...
yeah, last time we used gochujang paste,
Okay.
but this time we're going to use this, and we're going to see how it comes out.
Okay, so you can start.
Okay. So my assistant is going to come and cut for me.
This garlic and all?
You don't just get to stand behind the camera and be lazy.
No.
Yeah.
So assistant is taking over again.
Yep. And so now everything will look nice and clean, right? Do you need a bowl, or are you putting everything in there?
We have to make a paste, so you need to bring the grinder, baby.
Assistant's doing her job. Thank goodness.
Smart.
So, turn it. On that side. My assistant is hard at work.
So all the hard works I'm doing, the credit will go to me, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm taking crediting my wife, my assistant. It's not easy being Chef Silver Fox's assistant.
Oh, thank you so much, baby, for appointing me.
Okay. Ginger.
Ooh,
Nice catch.
I was watching cricket. Remember?
Yeah. Yeah, we did watch IPL today, luckily, thank goodness.
And the first match, it was my team.
Yeah. RCB, Royal Challengers Bangalore against Kolkata Knight Riders. It's fun to watch once a year, the IPL.
Yeah.
And onion. So onion, garlic, ginger, we'll make a paste.
All the smelly stuffs. Assistant is taking care of it. I always feel guilty when I throw this part of onion. I don't want it, but I look around and I throw this part.
Look to see if anybody's watching.
Yeah, it makes me feel bad when I throw this, but I don't like this part.
Me too.
Oh, you do that too?
Yeah.
Thank God. I'm not the only one then.
Yeah. Here.
So I'll do like this.
Yeah.
I'm not crying.
You watching a TV show again?
You want me to cry, so you are letting me to do this?
And make beautiful bowl. Mm-hmm. Where did you get this?
I got it from the store that we went to. Because you told that my favorite color is red, so.
It's okay, don't cry. It'll be okay.
Wow. It smells good.
Nice.
This is too much, right?
It's never too much.
This kitchen. Our kitchen back home, my mom and dad, they have kitchen, big kitchen.
Big kitchen.
Yeah, big kitchen. So I don't feel like cooking in a small kitchen.
Yeah. Oh, independent wife. She can open the jar. So it's a strainer.
So you can use even the sauce, this sauce, and even the fish you can chop and use.
Quarter cup.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, quarter cup.
I'll squeeze out so that it won't be messy when I cut it.
No, now.
You can chop like this.
So you think it'll be better?
This one smells so good.
So this one will be better than the last one we did, which is going to be impressive.
Your seasoning and spices, it's almost ready.
Okay.
So, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce.
Yeah.
Two is 3.
Your ancestors again?
Your seasoning and spices paste is good.
Maybe.
Smell it.
Whew. Okay. It's been 2 hours and our cabbage and kimchi is ready to mix and put in the pot. So first thing, we have to rinse off the salt and everything, wash the cabbage.
Okay.
And since it's split, we can pull it apart.
Here.
Thank you. So we'll put 1 cup. Only 1 cup, I think, is good.
Okay.
I'm not Korean.
I'm Naga.
1 cup here.
Oh, looks chili flakes. Looks good, right?
It looks good.
Looks good.
Should I put 1/2 cup? Yeah. Taste a bit.
Good.
Taste.
I don't want to touch it, babe.
I touched it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh. So good.
Okay, let's mix.
Zoom. Wow.
Smells good.
Looks so good. You can use your hand anymore for cutting.
Yeah, I have to
Forgot
wait
to-
for my assistant. Cut
The
off
stand
the
is here.
cores.
Push it here, okay?
Okay, thank you. I need you to get the
Jar also.
our custom
Custom made.
made kimchi vessel.
Ungi.
Vessel. Our clear ongi.
Ungi. We brought the ungi.
Yeah.
Or ungi.
It's our ongi. Okay.
What about like this?
Yeah, I think. This paste in between because this whole thing is going to go into the jar. So we want to make sure we get it all in the middle. Everything. Even these little tiny ones that I can barely see. Small ones like my wife.
I'll make noodles for us, okay? So
Okay.
that we can eat noodles and fresh kimchi.
Yeah. Good. So drop it in like that. Oh, let's see.
I think this will be a little bit better.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Can hardly fit in.
So then I'll
You were supposed to tear off that.
like this.
Oh yeah.
So push down.
So I'll just take this out for
Okay.
our fresh kimchi, okay?
Okay. So I'll try this one myself and try to drop it in. See?
You want me to help you?
No, I got it. See? Got it. It'll be messy, but
It's okay. It will be messy. It's okay.
push down so there's no air.
So you have to push down.
Yeah. This is the last one. This one's the last one, right?
This one, yeah.
Okay. So drop this one in. Small strips. Small strips like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take from here.
Oopsie.
See? Oop, didn't tear so well.
Your hand will.
It's slippery. Yeah. I can't grip. I can't grip because it's slippery. See? You want to find out how slippery?
That's why I'm coming to help
Thank
you, baby.
Thank you. So helpful. My queen is actually helping.
Enough.
Yeah, you have to help a 75-year-old man. So
I'm an 18-year-old.
He needs extra help, according to some. Yeah, that one's not spinning a lot.
And even this one, okay? You can mix it.
So mix it.
Mix.
It was like feeding a dolphin.
Yeah.
Good? Yeah? Okay, well, it's ready. And we're done.
I think this is too much for us to eat. You can.
We'll keep some aside for later. So good. Oh, yeah, let's eat.
Okay, I'll get ready.
Our custom ungi. So we'll ferment this now for 3 days and outside the fridge, and then we'll see some bubbling in there, and it'll ferment and look nice, and then we'll put it in the fridge and keep it for a little bit longer. We'll be able to eat by then, but it's so good. It's good now, but it'll even better after it ferments, like I said. This is kimchi, our kimchi we just made, and then this is noodles my wife made for us. So we'll eat kimchi, noodles, sausage. So we're hungry, we're gonna eat. I know you wish you could eat, but I know this is gonna be awesome. We will see you next time. Thank you for watching. This has been a lot of fun, a little bit challenging, but we're gonna eat and enjoy.
So bye.
See you next time. Bye. So after 3 days, it's been sitting out on the table. Our kimchi. It's been fermenting. And it smells so good. Can you smell?
Yeah.
So we'll just push down a little bit.
Yeah.
So now it will go into the fridge. And it's good to eat now, but it'll be even better in maybe a couple weeks.
After a month, maybe.
More and more flavor the longer it sits. So.